Friends, today we studied about biopesticide. What is meant by biopesticide? So biopesticide is the formulation made from naturally occurring substances that controls pest by non-toxic mechanisms and in eco-friendly manner. Biopesticides may be derived from animals, example nematodes, plant chrysanthemum, Azadirachta, that is neem, and microorganism, that is Bacillus thuringiensis, Trichoderma, nucleopolyhedral virus, including organisms, natural enemies, etc. However, biopesticides are generally less toxic to the users and non-target organisms, making them desirable and sustainable tools for disease management. Then advantages of the biopesticide: inherently less harmful and less environmental load, designed to affect only one specific pest or in some cases a few target organisms, often effectively in a very small quantities and often decompose quickly, thereby resulting the lower exposure and largely avoiding the pollution problems. When used as a component of integrated pest management IPM program, biopesticide can contribute greatly. Then types of biopesticides: microbial pesticides, plant incorporated protectants, that is PIPS. Then biochemical pesticides, botanical pesticides, biotic agent, parasitoids and predators. Microbial pesticide. First one, microbial pesticide. Microbial pesticides are composed of the microscopic living organisms, that is virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoa, nematodes or toxin produced by these organisms. Applied as a conventional insecticidal spray, dust and granules. Their greatest strength is their specificity, as most of essentially non-toxic and non-pathogenic to the animals and humans. Microbial pesticides include insecticides, fungicides, herbicides and growth regulators of microbial origins. Some of important microbial pesticides, that is first one, Bacillus thuringiensis, discovered in Japan in early of 20th century and first became as a commercial product in France in 1938. Control Lepidopterous pest like American bollworm in a cotton and stem borer in a rice. When ingested by the pest larvae, BT releases toxin which damage the midgut of the pest, eventually killing it. Then main source of the production of the BT preparation are the strains of the subspecies, that is Kurstaki, then Gelleri and Dendrolimus. Agrobacterium radiator, that is agrocin. Agrobacterium radiator is used to treat roots during the transplanting and checks crown gall. Crown gall is the disease in peaches, grapevine, roses, and various plant caused by soil-borne pathogen, that is Agrobacterium tumefaciens. The effective strains of the Agrobacterium radiator possess two important features. They are able to colonize host roots to the higher population density. They produces antibiotic, that is agrocin, that is the toxic to the Agrobacterium tumefaciens. And third one, that is Pseudomonas fluorescens, the bacteria used to controlling damping of caused by the Pythium species, Rhizoctonia species, and the Cleomyces graminis. It is ability to grow quickly in the rhizosphere. Then fourth one, that is Trichoderma. Trichoderma is the fungicide effectively against soil-borne diseases such as root rot. These are also used against Nectia gallegena, that causes silver leaf disease of the fruit trees by entering through pruning wounds. Here is the image we clearly seen, that is how the types of spores of the Trichoderma. Then next one, that is Metarrhizum anisopli, which infect stipple bugs, then rhinoceros beetles, and also used for the different pests. Then Beauveria bassiana controls Colorado potato beetle. Verticillium lacani control aphids, whitefly, whitefly. Then Pneumonia really controls soybean caterpillars. Then Bucula viruses, that is BVS, control Lepidopterus and the Hymenopterous pests. Rod shaped, circular, double stranded, super coiled DNA. Then plant incorporated protectants, that is PIPS, pesticidal substances that plant produces from the genetic material that has been added to the plant. As the pest feed on such plants, they will eventually die. The botanical pesticides. These are the naturally occurring plant material that may be crude preparation of the plant parts ground to the produce a dust or the powder that can be used in the full strength or dilute from in the carrier such as clay, talcum powder, then diatomaceous earth. Then azadirachtin affects the reproductive and digestive process of the pest. Survival. Several plant-based insecticide as a nicotinoids, then natural pyrethrons, then arutinoids, neem products, etc. are used. Then biochemical pesticides. These are the naturally occurring substance to control pest by non-toxic mechanisms. Biochemical pesticide including substance as a insect sex pheromones which interfere with mating that attract insect pest to traps. A synthetic attractant are used one of the four ways. A lure in a trap used to monitor pest population as a lure in a traps designed to trap out a pest population. The third one, the broadcast signal intended to disrupt insect mating. And last one, that is as an attractant in a bait containing an insecticide. Then biotic agents and natural enemies, predators and parasitoid. Predators, these are the consume several to many prey over the course of their development. They are free living. They are usually as bigger than their prey. Ladybird beetles, then roe beetles, many ground beetles, lace wings, true bugs such as Podysus and Aureus. Then Syraphid fly larvae, mantids, spider, and mites such as Pythocemus and the Amphiloceus. Here is the images. We clearly seen that is what is the ladybird beetle having the seven spot on their wings, and here is lace wings. Then parasitoids. So parasitoids are almost same size as their host, and their development always kills the host insect. An adult parasite deposit one or more eggs into or onto the body of the host insect and somewhere to the insect host habitats. The larvae that hatches from the eggs feeds internally and externally on the host tissue and body fluids, consuming it slowly. Laterally in development, the host dies. The parasitoid pupates inside or outside the host body, that is Bacteroplectus, then Trichogramma, then Incarcia, Muscidophorus, etc. Thank you.